does it look like that? Yeah, that's better. Because I'm trying to do a like a tutorial type pop-up thingy. I don't know how big it should be though. You can give it like some custom numbers, I guess. No, other way. It's not bad. How does it look with the title screen? Fuck am I looking for? There we go. This is tutorial. If I could spell. It's annoying. Actually, yeah, let's just do that then. Why is it not visible? Yeah, that'd help. Where did I throw this thing? I don't think it is a prefab. Yeah, it's in this thing. And yeah, that's not bad. Actually, I don't even know about the size of this thing yet. Cause yeah, I only need a few lines. It doesn't have to be that big. Yeah, that's not that bad. Could always change it later. Okay. Why is this not on the same line? Okay. Bu- 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 it's not that bad. A lot of our stuff already has underlines though. It's whatever. Yeah, it's fine. Is that right? I guess. If we do something like that works for the most part. Tip one. And of course this thing has a fucking mask on. uh, it's not awful. Do I even have like a, what am I looking for? You can do a hexagon. Phone. Plus. Could do a plus. Why is it? That's all weird. Yeah, why are you not centered? Hello? What? Oh my god. Who in their right mind? What? Does that do anything? That is actually crazy. Where's the other one? Yeah, that one too. I don't know. Guess we're not using that. Oh, would up arrows work? These could also work. It's the knob. Why is everything weird? Yeah, that is gonna be fun. So then maybe the other thing was fine. Is that thing still off? Yeah. I guess we can just do hexagons as placeholders. Looks kind of stupid. It's not the worst. Could use an extra border. Does that do anything? It's on the wrong layer. That would help. There we go. It'll do for now, I guess. It's a decent line, and then we just gotta move it up. Why are you like that? That's fine, actually. Actually, oh wait, what am I doing? Oh. Line 1 bullet. Boom. And then hopefully I can just move these two. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of stupid, but it'll get the job done. This doesn't seem right. Yeah. How many lines do we need? I forget. Need 5, actually. Yeah, that did nothing. Holy guacamole, brother. Actually, that might be for the best. So we don't even need 5. Should be what, 280? Yeah, technically. could always make it bigger. It's not the worst. Oh, thank you for the follow. If you're still here, Quomitter. One might be okay. How am I doing? Yeah, we'll just try and fit it in and see how it looks. It's not that bad. I don't know how to like, I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to like structure the don't show again button. Like, should it just be like a whole line or just like hidden in the corner? I don't know. Okay, not sure why my headphones just turned off. Yeah. How's that any closed? Technically, it should close, but I think it's still gonna bug out if we run it right now. I guess I'll just make it its own line. Yeah, that's not that bad. Bullet, why is it all the way over there? It's fine for now, I guess. I don't like how this is the same icon as these. Since this is just gonna be a don't show this again. Should actually be in here. Whoa, whoa. Hello? That looks better. Yeah, I might just have to turn this into a cube. It's not that bad. That's pretty bad. Yeah, it's a lot better than the hexagon. Let me consult the great computer wizards, GBT. Not that bad. That works. It is not centered though. Yeah, it's fine. Actually, we could probably move all of these over. Why are they all... Okay, yeah, that's fine. It's whatever. Yeah, why are they all in such a fucking weird number? 400, and then what are you? Not. Okay. It's better, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot my background music. My bad. As quiet as it is. Alright, fine. Um... That might be better. Hello? Oh. Maybe the whole thing. Alright, yeah. GBT's on its own page, so. Personally, I think that's better, but I don't know if it's better. It's fine. It'll do for now. Can always move it afterwards. So let's see. Button. Animation. None. I kind of want to make these. Whatever the hell I'm saying. Buttons too, but that's fine. Before I forget, close tut. And yeah, we can just throw it in there. And then, boom. Where are we? Title screen. Don't show again. Okay, that's good. And then line 6 bullet, highlighted, record. To look up. Why does it look like that? It's because I'm stretching it? Hopefully not. And then center can get a bit brighter. How's that look? It's in the border actually. And then pressed the opposite. Border gets darker. Hello? Okay. And then the center can go not that dark. I think a little darker. That should be fine, I guess. And then, yeah, have to hook this up to our boot manager. Ah, the code, not the code. I have not touched that thing in a while. Okay. GPT help. Oh yeah, wait, because we have the don't show again button. Oh, so what happens if you don't press it? It just keeps showing up every time. That's kind of stupid. Yeah, we'll get. We could just do that, and then we can think about it. Because I don't know how much I really like it. And then we can also space these out a bit more. Although I have no fucking clue how. So what are these? 120. 80? And these somehow got bumped up. Which actually isn't that bad. 60. 60 and 180. It's something. I guess we can just leave it. It's lame. What is it? Yeah. Doesn't matter which order I do it in, probably. Actually, no, I think it just matters how they're set up in the hierarchy. I think that's handled here, right? Yeah. Oh, well. Wait, no. So that goes off, this goes off, and this one comes on. And it wasn't assigned. Lovely. Cut. Hey. Oh, I don't know if I plugged it in. Yeah, that might help. And close tut. And let's make sure the sound works. And then, yeah, it doesn't come up again. Because it's a player pref, will it show up again? Interesting, okay. I guess that works. So that's the tutorial pop-up done. Only took, what, an hour? Lovely. God, I do not want to fucking do these upgrades. Where am I? Okay, so we finished all of tier 2 CPU yesterday. Right? Yeah. Echo Pulse was kind of goated. Is Throttle Delay good? Yeah, that one's pretty decent too. Logic. I don't think we have a single one of these set up. Or we could cheat and do memory since it's only 3. I will do logic. Yeah, this one's gonna be a pain. Upgrade tracker. Oh no. So we have to use this thingy, our node connector. Spread upgrade pulse. Does this work? So this is set up kind of for system sweep. I thought it wasn't. Interessant. Hello? Oh, that's fine. So what am I doing? Oh yeah. For each connected path, how do we do that? Look what the logs look like. I got 900 of them. So let's see, where is this? Upgrade Tracker Manager. And then... what is this thingy? Upgrade level text. Interesting. And then it just goes away. Love to see it. What am I looking for? Yeah, my computer's bugging. Let's turn it off. So, how does this work? So we register all the upgrades. And then what? Oh, this might not be that bad. Oh. I just might have to do it by hand. Make it easier. Yeah, this thingy. Holy fucking fumble by GBT. Alright, let me do it by hand. 1, 2, you get 4. This thing's gonna be kind of a pain. Because we could tack it onto our connector thingy. Since that is what it do. Yeah, wait a minute, this has tiers. So... we can just count how many of a certain tier there are. And then try and do math that way. I need a notepad. I guess I'll show this on here. My little, actually this is kind of the, too much info. It's all the back end stuff. So what am I doing? Yeah, just a little extra space. So yeah, we're counting the tiers and how many paths they have, which might honestly... where am I going? Where am I going? Drag this in here. Nice. And then we can just draw in here. Control. Oh, that's the wrong button. Mobby. Alright, why wouldn't it let me draw again? Where is the draw button? X. Yeah, X what, bro? No, just, okay. Alrighty then, how big is that? That works. I got 1, 2, 3, and then it's 2, still 2, 3, 4, wait. It's just 2, still. Go up here, it's 3. Is that still 3? And 4? Oh my dear lord. Technically, yeah. Oh. So what's the math behind this? This one's a given. And then you need all tier 0 technically for 2. So let me... No. 1 is given. 2 is all tier 0. 3 is 2 tier 1. And 4 is 4 tier 1. That kind of makes sense, I guess. One is given on the starters. 2 is after you get all of tier 1 or tier 0s. Or it's if you, oh shit. Yeah, that's like easy case scenario. Or 2 is tier 1, 0. 2 tier 0. Then 2 tier 1s. Oh, there has to be a fucking better way to do this than by hand. Oh, that's not what I'm asking. 1, 1, 1. Maybe do I have to define them in branches? No, that still won't work. Are there any other cases where we can get 2 paths? 2, 2, 0. Not really. Not until you hit the keystones, but I don't know if I'm going to count those. And technically they do count as leaves, but my little graph is kind of... How do I erase? Is that an option? Stop drawing brush. Hello? Is there an erase? Apparently not. Alright. 1, 2. 1, 2. This could also be a 2. I feel like I'm overcomplicating this. But I don't know. It's these 6 nodes per branch that determine if there are paths. Okay, it's starting to come to me. So, hold on. Let me know this thing. So, if tier, I'll just call them tier 0, tier 0, if both okay, that kind of makes more sense. And then if 2 tier 1s are unlocked, +1 paths. So that covers this, technically. Ah, so annoying. So you go 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. And then stop drawing. And then what's the conditional for this? You need all 4 to get the 4th path. If 4 tier 1s are unlocked, +1 paths. Okay, so this gives 1. Let's get 1, 2, technically. No, that's still 1. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. It's 1, 1. This would give 2, since 2 tier 1s are unlocked. This would be 3, since now you have both tier 0s. Still 3 and 4. Cool. Okay. Alrighty. So then with this thingy, public int tier, get all connected nodes. Yeah, because they all have access to their tiers. So it's threaded fork that has to actually access everything. I think it's the only path related upgrade that we have. I don't think I can search through this for path. Can I? Where the hell is it highlighting? Oh. Path. The hell is it now? Over there? Threaded fork. Yeah, that's what we're on now. Oh, what are you? Hello? Random pathing. Yeah, it's through self-healing though. Okay, I think that's all of it. For every 7 connected paths. Does this thing use our upgrade tracker manager thingy? Yeah. Get all valid upgrades. Upgrade tracker manager, let me... Okay. It's always nice. Upgrade tracker manager. Funny enough, this actually doesn't have anything useful. Well, we could cross check it. I don't know if we have to. With unlocked upgrades. Alright, let's see if GBT can work its magic. Node connector. Upgrade tracker manager. And I think that's all it needs. Maybe basic upgrade. let's give it a upgrade just for reference. Something basic, I don't know. Cycle trim. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that doesn't work. Because if you go down 2 branches all the way. What? Because by our logic, if you do this, hold on, if I can fucking draw straight this and that, you'll be at 3. Which isn't right. What? this is gonna be a fucking disaster. Oh shit, I forgot to tell it the name of the upgrade. Alright, let's try that again. Get component basic upgrade, yada yada. Oh lordy. Jesus. What do you mean no effect, huh? Hmm? Cause I don't think we have it. Hold on. Bada boom, bada boom. That shit's loud. What am I looking for? Threaded fork, which also isn't hooked up yet. So what should this do? Stop. Yeah. So it's 6.2. Oh, this is so annoying. For each connected path, how are we at? This is 2, 4, 6, 7? So they should give 0.7, roughly. I gave 0.1. Interesting. 6.3, still 6.4. Do we throw any debugs in this? No. Mm. So what is this thing doing? Okay, this thing is fucking spitting out logs. Actually, yeah, that's kind of what it's meant to do. See, all that runs through, yada yada, and through the fork. Total logic tier 0 count 1. Tier 1 node if statement if statement. Total count 2. Wait, I might have these mislabeled. Please be 0. Oh, I miss fucking, oh my god. Oh, that kind of makes sense, but why? So now how does it work? uh, I don't know what this really does, but let's see. Oh boy. Hopefully that works. Has 2 siblings. Huh? Oh, wait, no. Yeah, that's fine. 0. Yeah. No. Oh, I left it running. Oh my god, I hate doing that. Please don't be mad at me. Ow. My ears. Hold on. Shh. Okay. Alright. Logic. We currently have, how many paths do we have? 2. Oh, how many? Tier 0, count 1. Tier 1, count 2. Tier 2, count 2. Bonus path, total path. That is not right. It's counting right, but runtime check and threaded fork. So that's right. This is right. And that is right. Yeah, I knew this thing was going to be a bitch to set up. What is this doing? Okay, that's kind of helpful. Yeah, diagnostics. No. Oh, and it was running again. Love doing that. Still isn't counting properly. Because technically, what are we at now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. Why is it only checking the logic branches too? Logic, 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 logic. Logic, 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 logic. Logic, logic, yeah. Checking neighbor. Jesus, alright. This thingy. Hello? Huh? And it's running, of course. So I guess it's only the tier 2s that have to be connected. Threaded weaver. Northeast to byte injector. And then byte injector goes southwest to thread weaver. Southeast. Go pulse. Northwest. I set this one up wrong. No. This one's west. Huh? Oh, yikers. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh. No, yeah, that's fine. Because if you have access to this one, you have this one already unlocked, so it doesn't matter that it's included. Cool. Threaded fork goes south to runtime check. North. Northeast. Delta goes south. Stack bonus goes north. Bit fork goes northwest. Cool. It's all. Is it working? That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, they should stay 8, 9. I can't go to those ones. 9, 10. Okay, okay, it works. It's alive. 10, 11. Okay. And then boom. Oh shit. So what? We have 11 paths. This is giving 0.3 for 11. Okay. And then it's 4, 4. I think. I don't know if that's right, but let's see. Oh shit, we're full. Yeah, that's lovely. Lovely. Bro, that's hitting us so hard. Alright, whatever, we'll just ignore it. 5.5, hello? Oh, it's not at the bottom. Or 6? Why are you at 6? Oh my god, it's not. Keep it up. There we go. So why is it at 6? Bonus paths, because we're at the thingy. So, wait, it's working. Very nice, very nice. Oh my god, that thing was not awful, but a lot of GBT's hope. And then, yeah, we don't need necessarily all the debugs. No. Cool. So... count plus plus. Is your third in here? Count tiered nodes, branch 1, 2, and 0. Pass plus plus. It should go in here, probably. Yeah. There it is. Just get GPT. Oh, help me. Is that? Yeah. In thread fork. I mean, I didn't need like all of these turned into +1 path, tier 0 unlocked, all tier 0. I guess it works. It's not like that long. Then alright. Return paths, cool. Hopefully that doesn't spam our thingy. Because it should add to the log, hopefully, and then get reset. Nope, it does not. Wait, why is this? Okay, no, it's running constantly. Count path branch. Okay. Path logged. That kind of works. Okay. Print once. Oh, that, yeah, makes sense, I guess. And then, bada boom. No, boom. Branch, yada yada. Okay, hopefully that works. Okay. And of course I can't test it, because I fucking upgraded everything already. And we're out of storage. Lovely! We can't even afford to upgrade it without it maxing out first. Oh, what kind of game did I fucking build? This thing doesn't do anything. It doesn't even have, oh no. Oh no. These things don't have upgrades. Like, milestone upgrades set up. I thought I did all these. What? Okay. Actually, yeah, we can try it on a different save. There we go. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, technically. So this should give 0.6 total. Bring us to 3, 3. Let's see it. Ooh. 3, 3. Why is 3, 4? Logic tier, huh? Tier 0 unlocked, tier 1 unlocked, tier 2 unlocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tier 0, tier 1 unlocked. Yeah, they shouldn't have given us an extra path. try that. Yeah, mama. 0.3? Ah, there it is. And then, let's see. Is it gonna, oh no, because we already upgraded it. Thread 4, one path unlocked, 0.4. And then, let's see, we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 now, properly. So we should go to 4.1, 4.8, if we can afford it. I think it's working. And then, yeah, we got the extra bonus path that we saw earlier. I like this, though. It's helpful. So, you know, when you unlock a new path, and then runtime check doesn't do anything. What are we at? 5.2, 4.9. Le Epic. It's kind of weak. I mean, yeah, we could just change the numbers later. It's not that bad. And then let's see this. Thread fork to level 5, and it doesn't. I guess, yeah, it doesn't have to be like, you got a bonus. It's just on the back end it counts. Yeah. Because, yeah, I think we got the level upgrade and then extra path bonus. Which was inclusive, hopefully. This thing isn't even level 25. Why does this catch up so quickly? I might have to change the scalings so that they're different. And boom, we got a big boy. Woo! Echo Pulse. Yeah, this thing's actually kind of goated. And then we, hold on, let me make sure. 7.2, 7.2, epic. And 7.7, which makes sense. Nice. Cool. Title screen. So yeah, that's threaded. Whatever done. Was it thread fork? Yeah, our first fucking CPU upgrade. Woo! Bitgrid.count mod 2 is equal to 0. That's not that bad. I feel like it could be buffed up a bit. Cause like it's just a static increase if you have an even amount of grids. But it's also a tier 2 node. 1.0, a 2.0, and a 4.0. Something called runtime check. Yeah, mama. Basic upgrade, and you need access to Bit Manager. Oh, I forgot to change the else's. Yeah, that'd be smart. Could do make it a little more extreme, maybe. Yeah, that seems better. Wait, what's this bit count forgiveness? So you just constantly get the if check? That's kind of stupid. I think he's paused up here. Now what? Bicker.count forgiveness. Should we do this maybe per grid? Nah, that's just more math. Bicker.count forgiveness. What does that mean? Maybe we do that at the end? As a sort of rounding it off at level 100. Slime. See what GPT cooks up. That's it. Upgrade, grid count, level 100. Oh wait, how does that work? Bool? Or... Oh. So it's either false or whatever this is. Get bitrate per level. Why does it always do this? Why you do this? There we go. Is that it? Yeah, wait, that was really easy. Oh, oops. Does this thing need a log printer? And then that'll print every time we upgrade the node, I think. Runtime check. So let's see. 7.7. Okay, it did something. 7.7. How did we go to 8.7? Plus path. Okay, I guess. And then this should go to 9.2. Nice. And then, hello? Swapped cache. So I want to make sure it's applying this next upgrade. So what, it's giving 2% right now. And then it should give 5. So it should go to 13.2. That is not right. Runtime check. Level 5 plus 10%. What? Path true. Why is it giving 50% per level? Technically that's correct, but... Level 5. Okay, I see. 1, 2, 4, 1. There we go. So now it should be 13.2, hopefully. Nice. And then this gives 1% now, so 14.2. Nice. Very nice. Slide. Do these not have sounds? Yeah. Let's go ahead and get those hooked. I thought we did that yesterday. No, I think it was just the buttons that we finished. Yeah, these 4. So we got the red fork and runtime check. Oh no. That's another doozy of an upgrade. Every 60 seconds minus that per level. Minus 1 level from one node plus 2 to another. I don't think we have any downgrading mechanics in here, do we? What the hell is this? Upgrade level? Yeah. Unlock level 1, unlock nodes, and that is about it. Because how does this handle stat changes? Upgrade level, dot current level. I think technically it should fall into place. Oh boy. Oh lordy. Alright, what do you do? Upgrade's already at level 0, nice check. Current level minus minus. Stack gain per level. Okay. What are these? Little fucking boxes. Current cost, current level, raw cost, branch type. What is this? Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Do we do that in here? How did it do that? Hmm. Update text. And log it. Cool. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Oh, my mamma mia. What? Where? Hello? Where are the Unicode characters, bro? Oh my. No. This is all I added, and I got rid of them. The hell is the Unicode? Alright, let's try this again. See anything at the top? Systems in here? Okay, I guess we leave that one then. Brother. Okay. What is this? Cache tune. Swept cache fill ratio. What does that even mean? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we made the recursive heal upgrade. Okay, okay. Okay, why didn't it? Oh, I didn't save it, that's why. Hmm. Brother, your mama, how about that? Okay, that compiled really quickly. Recursive heal. What do you do again? Yeah, it's gonna be a pain to test. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. What? What? Yeah, mama. You're the system, I guess. Happy? Yeah, that's what I thought. Did we upgrade that one? I guess we did. Oh, and we already have it. Oh no, this one, recursive heal. Upgrade. Oh. And now we have to wait a whole minute. System sweep. Yeah, this one kind of takes forever. Byte injector, yada yada. Getting this thing to level 5 would be kind of helpful. Won't have to wait as long, hopefully. Byte injector, upgraded recursive heal, system sweep. I think that was system sweep proccing twice. Minus echo pulse plus cycle trim. Hold on. Of course. And I can't actually scroll through it while it's paused. Lovely. Echo pulse should be 0. Upgrade echo pulse level 2. Okay, I guess. Cycle trim. How are you looking? Level 20. Downgraded echo pulse to level 1. Upgraded 29. 29. Upgraded if statement. Yeah, that's fine. Swap cache. Needs some extra roomy room. Recursive heal. -1 to if statement. +2 to grid core sigma. I mean, technically it's working. I can't really tell if it is though. I'm not like sitting here staring at the numbers. Throttle delay. Yeah, mama. System sweep. Is that proccing twice? I guess so. Minus cycle trim. Plus grid core? I can't tell if it's actually... Why was that? Was that disabled? Oh yeah, of course. Finally into tier 3s, I guess. Sub cache still going, system sweep still going. Recursive heal. Threadweaver. This one. I don't think that changed. Threadweaver level 3. Was Threadweaver ever level 4? Bro, this shit is so annoying. I could arbitrarily set the cooldown to like 5 seconds. Which honestly might be the get-go here. Yeah, man. Echo Pulse. Oh! Oh! 2 degree core sigma. 30, 31. I mean, it's kind of explicitly stating it in the log, so I just want to make sure it kind of adds up correctly. Yeah, 29 to 30, 31. Echo Pulse reset. Actually, oh shit, we can't. Okay, so we can't make them not interactable. Where's that? Basic upgrade. Don't touch the interactability. That should be fine for the most part. Because yeah, if it ever resets an upgrade, it's an upgrade that we can unlock. So it should be interactable still. Why are you level 2? Hello? It should be updated in the save manager. No, oh. Where's that? It's in the upgrade main button thingy. Down here. Save. Hopefully that is not that bad. That might have just been how they were set. Throttle delay, yeah. So what, this is at negative minus 1 second plus the 10. Yeah, this needs to be reworked a bit. Injector. Nothing yet. -1 from what? Grid Core Alpha. To level 24. So it technically should have downgraded in size. Yeah, this stuff is a little wonky. +2 to swept cache. That's it's not that bad. -1 core pulse, +2 to heatsink. I mean, I don't know, the numbers are adding up, I guess. It's starting to get a little out of control, though. I mean, technically, it works. It's just whether or not it's balanced properly. And then recursive heal. Call. The hell's call? Tier 4? Hmm. Could have probably done that sooner, but you get the idea. Is that hooked up? Yeah. Coolio. And then... So I guess I just forgot to do stack bonus, specifically. Yeah. Fine. This whole upgrade needs to be fixed a little bit, so I might just leave it. And this one's gonna be a doozy. Alrighty then. I might just leave it here. Actually, wait, hold on. Cool. Ew. Can I click on these things like half the time? Is this the one that I was working on? Probably. Let's do this one. Oh yeah. Let's do that real quick while we're here. Take 2 seconds. It's not what I'm looking for. Not what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, the buttons. Just temporarily move him. Yeah, that's fine for now, honestly. What is it? Negative or 600? This button. Mamma mia. Yeah, it's fine. Well. And upgrade info, you need to be 600, por favor. It's just loud. Oh, that's working. Forgot about that thing. Yeah, you get the idea. Wait, no. Alright, I'ma get some food.